Audio Jungle. So అది guys ఈ రోజు వీడియో. Today I am super excited to share something that every coder and tech lover will enjoy. It's a free online event by GeeksforGeeks called Advanced Agentic Workflows with GitHub Copilot. Don't worry about the big title, but I will explain it in the simple words. So first of all, let me explain about what this event is exactly about. So you probably know GitHub Copilot, right? It's the tool that suggests code while you type, almost like autocomplete for programmers. Now imagine Copilot going one big step further, not just suggesting small pieces of code, but actually handling tasks on its own. This session is all about how Copilot can act like a smart teammate. It can fix bugs, write and test codes, and even clean up your project while you focus on the creative parts of your app or website. It's like having a friendly assistant who never gets tired. So let's see what this event is about and what you will learn in this event. So during this event, participants will see how to let Copilot take on everyday code such as generating boilerplate code and spotting and fixing errors and automatically improve code quality. And the workshop keeps things practical and easy to follow with live demos rather than heavy theory. So even beginners can learn how to speed up the workflow and build cleaner, more secure application. So this session is perfect for developers, students, or anyone curious about using AI to code faster and smarter. You don't need to be an expert. Basic GitHub knowledge like creating branches or making pull requests is more than enough to get started. Before attending, it's helpful to have a GitHub account. Brush up on simple GitHub basics and keep a small project ready if you would like to try out the techniques right away, like creating repositories, so pushing your projects. And this session is practical with demos and clear examples, not a heavy theory. So, and next, who should join? If you are a developer, a student, or someone curious about AI, this event is perfect for them. You don't need to be an expert, just basic GitHub knowledge is enough. If you know how to create a branch, make a pull request, or review code, you are ready. So, this event is great chance to see how AI is changing the way we code. It's free, practical, and could save your house of work in the future. So don't miss it. Register using the link I have shared in the description. So if this video helped you, so give it a like, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who love coding or want to learn AI tools. So that's it for today guys. So meet you in the next video. So and comment me which type of videos do you like and do you want. So bye bye.